Hey guys, I'm so excited for today's video because I finally got these. Oh my gosh, I wanted these for so long. I've seen these everywhere. I've seen them all over TikTok, on social media, and the results, they look so pretty and I've been dying to try them ever since. These are called waveformers and I got them from Amazon, but I only have like about 15 of them. I know it's not gonna be enough for my hair. I feel like I'm gonna need at least 30 of them. I did order more, but I only received one pack for now and I couldn't wait to film this video. I wanted to try them right away. For reference, I think these are 30 centimeter and they're perfect for probably like if you have hair till here. Oh yeah, and I also got this hook thingy to like insert your hair into this. By the way, I see everyone doing this when they're straight out of the shower and their hair is soaking wet. I don't think I can do that because if my hair is soaking wet, honey, that's not gonna dry. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take small sections of hair like half an inch and I'm gonna just spray it with water. You don't want it to be soaking wet. I'm just gonna make sure that it's wet enough for it to, you know, dry when it's in this thing. I'm also leaving my roots dry because it's not gonna dry if I soak everything up. I'm also gonna be coating each of these strands with gel because I want that slicked down defined wave. So I'm gonna like take the strand and coat it with product. I'm just gonna hook it into this hook thingy that came with the waveformers. And I'm just gonna insert my hair into it like that. And I think this is how you do it. You're supposed to insert the waveformer into this and just push it in, I think. Okay, I'm gonna pull out. Okay, wait. What's happening? Ooh, yeah. I'm gonna show you that one more time. I'm gonna take like half an inch of hair, spray it nicely with water along the length, slick it down with gel, and then I'm just gonna twist it a little bit so that it's easier to hook it into this. And then once it's hooked in, I'm gonna insert the wave. Also, I'm making sure that all the waves are in the same direction because I don't want my hair to be puffy. I want it to be slick. And so yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing this as much as I can in the same direction. Okay, guys, I did this off camera. I used up all the waveformers I had. I'd say you need at least 30 of them to cover your whole head. I have quite a bit of hair left at the back, but I think I'm just gonna braid it all up because my hair is pretty wavy anyway, so I'm hoping since they're the back, it'll just blend in with these. I left the remaining hair at the back in a braid. I'm just gonna leave this on for a couple of hours, I'd say 4 to 5 hours at least. That should give it enough time to dry since it's not soaking wet. And they won't feel too heavy on my hair, but it is annoying when it's like in front of your face. So I'm just gonna like tie this up. Yeah, I'll be back in like 4 to 5 hours. Okay guys, I'm back. It's been only like 2 hours, I think 2.5 hours, but I was getting so impatient, I couldn't wait anymore. I just want to get these off. My hair wasn't even that wet, so I feel like it is dry. It should be dry. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous and excited. Okay, here goes. Oh my god! Oh, what? It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, it's so sleek and shiny. I don't want it to frizz up. Okay, before I touch it, I'm just gonna hairspray it. Oh my gosh, it's in the same pattern too, just like I wanted. This is like the waves of my dreams. And it's really easy to take off too, like that. Oh my gosh, you guys, I took it all out and I used loads of hairspray. I love it so much. I already know I'm gonna keep doing this. This is probably gonna become like my go-to hairstyle. And it's like so simple too. It only took me about 15 minutes to put them all in. You know, unlike hot tools where you have to like take each strand and hold it for like 15 seconds, which is so boring. It's like so easy, it's quick, it's heatless, and it's so pretty. Yeah, I guess that's it for my video. I hope you loved it as much as I did. And don't forget to subscribe, leave comments, and you know, let me know what other videos you want to see from me. Follow me on my socials. I'm definitely gonna be posting a lot of like hair stuff on my Instagram. Yeah, see you again in my next video.